Let's make jambalaya. Cut up your sausage to bite sizes. Cube your chicken. Add your chicken to the pan with some butter. Season with paprika, Cajun red pepper flakes, garlic powder, pepper, and salt. Cook till golden. Dice 1 onion and 3 bell peppers. Crisp up your sausage. To a separate pan, add butter, diced onion and pepper, and 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. Add 1 small can of tomato paste. Add 3 cups of rice, 6 cups of chicken stock. Add the meat and let cook till rice is tender and liquid is gone. Serve and enjoy. Follow for more.